Great, thanks.
Great.
So, I'm on Need Speed, and I'm in a Lamborghini Aventador. Come on!
Let me get it. Wait there.
Let's be out in the dark.
Wait, 1 minute. Let me tell you. Wait there. Hang on. Go on. Going down there.
What's this thing?
Keep going. Hang on, do that. Wait, it's loud, by the way.
God.
Listen, he's going, isn't it?
No, I know.
Can you catch the next train or have you missed it now?
Oh no, I've long missed it.
Have you?
So chuffed. So happy with that. That is an Armytrix exhaust Lamborghini Aventador LP 700-4. That is quite a car. For proper footage of this car, go to my video of the Starred Technic meet. Wow, I'm a little bit speechless. That's low. There's a 235 over there as well, and there's a V8 Vantage. I think it's a V8 coming towards us.
Does it everywhere.
Geez, don't be too picky, Jay.
Thank you.
Harvey, you plum. Sorry. Here it is, the yellow Aventador again. It's back in Wilmslow. Old Liège, rather. Having been in Wilmslow. Oh, them crackles! Them crackles! Wow. Whoa, wild. Wild night. This is that exact Aventador, parked perilously close to an E-Class. What a thing that is. And those of you with the eagle eye will have recognised that this is also the one that appeared at the Wilmslow Motor Show. This is nice. I love the colour. Almost gold. V12, still hot, still very, very burning hot. And just there is Aston Martin. Could not be a better day. Oh, found it.
Alright, catch you later.